guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So if you want glowing, healthy and clear skin without spending tons of money, then this video is just for you. Today I'll be showing how to make your own beetroot serum and beetroot face cream at home for spotless, clear, radiant and super glowing skin. So beetroot isn't just good for your health, but it's amazing for your skin too. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps to fade away dark spots, pigmentation marks, acne scars, and naturally brightens your dull dark skin. It also has antioxidants that fights against aging, reduces acne marks, evens out your skin tone and makes your skin supremely bright, glowing, clear, soft and pinkish looking. So if you're looking for something natural, chemical free, budget friendly and highly effective, then keep on watching. So firstly, let's see how to prepare this DIY beetroot serum. So to prepare this home remedy, we firstly gonna need beetroot juice, and to prepare this beetroot juice, you firstly gonna need a beetroot. So here I'm just taking this beetroot and now with the help of a peeler, I'm peeling its skin off. So now after peeling its skin off, now we have to cut the beetroot into small pieces. So now after cutting it into small pieces, now we have to blend it to make a smooth paste. And I'm just putting all these beetroot pieces into a blending jar. So now after putting all the beetroot pieces into this blending jar, now I'm just adding rose water into it. And here I'm just adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of rose water into it so that it makes a smooth paste. And after adding the rose water, now we have to just blend it really nicely so that it makes a smooth and a fine paste. And now once it's nicely blended, the beetroot paste will look something like this. And now with the help of a strainer, I'm just straining this beetroot paste to take out all the beetroot juice out of it. And after straining this beetroot paste, your homemade beetroot juice is ready and it will look something like this. So to prepare this serum, I'm firstly taking approx 2 teaspoons of this beetroot juice into a clean bowl. After that, you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. Then to add more moisture into it, I'm adding vitamin E oil, and I'm just adding 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the vitamin E capsule, just use 1 vitamin E capsule. And now lastly, you're going to need Vaseline, and here I'm just adding approx 1/4 teaspoon of Vaseline into it, or just add a little bit of Vaseline. And after adding the Vaseline, just mix everything really well so that it makes into a fine and a creamy liquid. So now after mixing everything really well, your homemade beetroot face serum is ready and it will look something like this. This paste should be a little runny like I'm showing you in the video. Because it's a serum, it should glide on your skin beautifully. This serum also has a little tint to it because it has beetroot and beetroot has color. So you can also use this face serum as your skin tint. It will give you beautiful pinkish looking skin, and it has a lot of benefits for your skin, like it can make your skin supremely glowing and hydrating in just few seconds of using it. It also deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin from within and gives you that brighter and glowing skin. And to store this serum, you can store it in any airtight container. I'm just using this small dropper to store this serum, and the perfect way to use this serum is to just apply few dots of this serum and gently massage it into your skin so that it makes your skin supremely hydrating, glowing and give you that pinkish looking skin. Now after this serum, now let's move on to the DIY beetroot face cream. So to prepare this home remedy, we firstly gonna need beetroot juice, and to prepare this cream, I'm firstly taking 1.5 teaspoon of this beetroot juice into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. After adding the glycerin, now we are going to need vitamin E oil or the vitamin E oil, however you want to pronounce it. And here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of this vitamin E oil or the vitamin E oil into it. And after adding this oil, now we are going to mix it really nicely so that all these oil combine with this beetroot juice. Now after mixing it well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm just adding almost 2 tablespoons of this aloe vera gel into it. And now after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm just mixing everything really nicely to make a smooth and a fluffy cream. So now after mixing everything really well, your homemade beetroot cream is ready and it will look something like this. So this is a gel based cream. So it looks like a jelly. It looks like a red color jelly, but it's a beautiful cream to treat your skin and to make your skin really clear, bright and give you that pinkish glow. So the consistency of this cream should be medium and should be really creamy as I'm showing you in the video. It should be really creamy, fluffy and smooth. And if your cream is not of this consistency and is a little bit runny, then there's no need to worry. You can also keep it that way, or you can add more aloe vera gel into it to make it more fluffy, creamy and more gel based. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best results. So you can store this cream in any airtight container. I'm using this small jar container to store this cream, and I'm just putting all this cream into this glass jar, and I'm just going to store it at room temperature for about 15 to 20 days. And if you're making this cream in summers, then you should keep this cream in refrigerator, and then you can store it for up to 1 month. So this beetroot cream gives a perfect smoothness to the skin. It also helps to keep the moisture content for longer period, and with the regular use of this cream, it gives you that perfect pinkish glowing skin. It also prevents wrinkles, fine lines and aging spots and gives you an even toned skin. And if you have dark spots, patchy skin, darkness or pigmentation marks on your skin, then this cream will also help to reduce that. So this cream is a very good cream to treat your skin problems and to make your skin really bright, glowing and even toned. So now let me tell you how to use this cream. So just take adequate amount of this cream and apply it onto your skin, and you also have to massage it gently so that this cream goes deeper into your skin and gives you best results. So just apply this beetroot night cream on your face and neck as a daily moisturizer and leave it overnight. And after leaving it overnight, just wash it off in the morning with your mild face wash. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.